Hi guys, today we're installing a DPF Back Torqit exhaust on our Volkswagen Amarok, as well as a throttle controller and power control module. We've just finished installing our Torqit performance exhaust in our Volkswagen Amarok, as well as our throttle controller. The throttle controller has 18 different settings, depending on what you prefer. The last piece of the puzzle is the Torqit power control module, which once installed, which only takes a couple of minutes and is a plug and play affair, can be controlled using the phone app, which has 4 different modes: off, economy, cruise or sport, depending on the vehicle usage.